Mommy has a treat for you. Mommy has a treaty for my. No, sit. Is it strawberry? Oh, yummy. Guess what? You're gonna be so happy. Mommy got you a whole bunch of strawberries. Go on, go sit. Oh, you're so hyper. You're so hyper. You want another one? Want another one? Yeah. Oh, that's my girl. She loves the strawberries. Ready? Oh, what's it?
Just calm down.
Slow down, slow down. Sweetie, slow down. Oh, what a good girl. Is that it? They're all gone, huh? Yeah. My. Oh, she doesn't have that much pink around her mouth. Hi, baby. My. Sit. Oh, was it good? Good girl.